Welcome to YMBA Sing from Home Initiative Season 2 of WhatsApp.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಂಗ್ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೋವಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಕಿಯಂತ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ದೆ ಸೀಸನ್ 2 ದೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನೋಕುನಂತ ನಿങ്ങളെല്ലാರಿಗೂ ഞങ്ങളെ സ്വാഗത.
Hey Anusha, are you okay? Relax. ಅಂಬರ್ ಪೆಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪರ್ಲಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆയിട്ട് ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡುಳ್ಳರಿ. ನಾವು ಸಹ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆയിട്ട് ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮತನ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಂಡುപോയി.
ಹಾ ತುಳಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆ ನಿಂಗಂತವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಗ ನಾ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. But yes, during this pandemic when most of the people are locked up in their own houses, staying positive and engaged was a concern for all.
Yes, absolutely. And in this difficult time, Young Men's Bowie Association came up with a fantastic initiative. Completely out of the box, but inside your phone. The YMBA Sing from Home Initiative. But I know can you running into the concept.
Yes, YMBA in the initiatives like singing, drawing and cooking. nangalellara positive mood li vechi. Initial lockdown period engana poine vanta itla. Oh sorry, naan ninge enna introduce akanne marnittu poi. Nani
Let me do the honors. This is Anusha Uchil. Mumbai nu season 1 day winner. Pina season 2 day e award function day innathu nangale host.
Thank you. And this is Saurabh Ail from Dubai. Season 1 in the runner-up and the best male singer award in the winner. And e ceremony in the Enori host.
Thank you Anusha. So before we move forward, let's hear a few words from the brainchild of this initiative, Shri Ravi Uchil, Joint Secretary of Young Men's Bowie Association.
Thank you, Saurabh. So, Saurabh was talking about brainchild. It is not the brainchild of only Ravi Uchil. The entire team was behind, this idea. So, it's the brain of entire organization team. There are some, audiences who had given us feedback. Some of the children that why can't you uncle start some, new initiative during this lockdown period. On the basis of the feedback of all, our organizing team sat together, formed an idea, used their brain, then this idea was put into implementation with the consensus of managing committee. So basically it's the idea of the entire organizing team, some of the ideas taken from the audiences. So collectively, it's the brain of entire community which has formulated, implemented, and the result is immense. That shows, how much brain we have. When we talk about brain, it's Viveka. So, if we develop these Vivekas, these small childs, they have got intellect. And if this intellect is developed in such a way that in future if they go, there may be so many Vivekanandas in our community. So let us all come together, let us take our community to a next level. Thank you.
Thank you Ravi. Today is the final result day. Pina innate ee ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮತನ ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರುವಾಕ. Okay? Lord Ganesha remove all the obstacles from our life. And may Bhagwati Amma keep showering her divine blessings on all of us. Let's start the program today.
ನೀವು ನೋಯ್ಕೊಂಡುಳಿರಿ YMBA Sing From Home Day Award Cell.
Now let's start with our award ceremony.
Just like season 1, in season 2 as well, we had 3 different categories: kids, seniors, and the general open category. All in all, we had 41 contestants participating. 41! That's a leap from season 1. The competition was tough, and the contestants had to go through 3 difficult rounds of singing. We had 3 amazing judges who were constantly keeping the motivation of the contest with their scores.
Presenting our distinguished judges of season 2.
गुरुवे शरणं सद्गुरुवे शरणं गुरुवे शरणं सद्गुरुवे शरणं महापेरियवा शरणं
डाली पे कलियां से खिलने लगी जब निगाहें निगाहों से मिलने लगी दिल की डाली पे कलियां से खिलने लगी जब निगाहें निगाहों से मिलने लगी
एक दिन इस तरह होश खो जाएंगे पास आए तो मदहोश हो जाएंगे
You know what? In season 1, we had 34 contestants. I.e., 17 contestants were female and 17 contestants were male. I.e., contestant number 17 was the winner. I mean, Nani.
ನೀಂದ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 17 మీద इतना स्ट्रेस इस बार सत्र पे खतरा है क्या?
आप देख रहे हैं YMBA Sing From Home की अवार्ड सेरेमनी.
Season 2, we had 41 contestants. I.e., 31 contestants were female and you know the man. Pattar. Kali Pattaru, male contestants.
Really? Come on, boys.
In this season, we have heard many lovely voices and we have created some special award categories for them. And the winners are
Versatile Singer Award. And here are the nominations for the most versatile singer of the season. Vibha Vishwanath, Divyesh Udyavar, Preeti Uchil, and the winner of Versatile Singer Award goes to contestant number 12, Preeti Uchil.
सूरतियाँ हंसियों उमरिया गवाओं कोई भी उसे देखे तो बस ये घुमाओ यही है यही तो है वो ईना मीना दिखा चाय ना मानिका माखा नाका नाका चिका दिका रिका ईना मीना
Inspiring Singer Award. Here are the nominations of the most inspiring singers of the season. Harinakshi S. Uchil, Girija Uchil, Mohini Mutta. And the winner of Inspiring Singer Award goes to contestant number 8, Harinakshi S. Uchil.
जुनक जब चुड़िया खनकी लहर लहर ओढ़निया लहरी रुनक जुनक जब चुड़िया खनकी लहर लहर ओढ़निया लहरी मृदंग थनका मान गई राधा जातों से नहीं
Golden Voice Singer Award Male. Here are the nominations for the Golden Voice Singer Award. Ishan Vijay Uchil, Vijay Kumble, Swaraj Satish Ail. And the award goes to contestant number 21, Vijay Kumble.
काली काली जुल्फें गोरी गोरी बाहें मुझको तड़पाने लगी होंठ भीगे भीगे नशीली ये आंखें प्यास को जगाने लगी अरे सोचा है कि रात और दिन.
Here are the nominations for Golden Voice Singer Award in the female category. Malashri Madhavan Kasargod, Vibha Vishwanath, Abhinaya Praveen. And the winner is contestant number 32, Malashri Madhavan Kasargod. Emerging Singer Award. Here are the nominations for the most emerging singer from season 2. Khushi S. Uchil, Abhinaya Praveen, Vaishnavi Suresh. And the award goes to Abhinaya Praveen. Best Devotional Singing Award. And here are the nominations. Mohini Mutta, Lakshmi Talabadi, Shanta Shirya. And the Best Devotional Singer Award goes to Mohini Mutta.
गोकुल के प्यारे गाओ रे नाचो रे रास रचाओ रे गाओ रे नाचो रे रास रचाओ रे हरि सुन.
Talented Star Singer Award. Here are the nominations. Ishan Vijay Uchil, Vijay Kumble, Likhita. And the award for the most talented star singer goes to Ishan Vijay Uchil.
एक चतुर नार कर के सिंगार एक चतुर नार कर के सिंगार मेरे मन के द्वार ये घुसत जाता हम मरत जाता अरे चतुर नार कर के सिंगार परिसा गग गरिसा गरिसा गग.
We had some very interesting moments in season 2. ಈ ಸೀಸನ್ಲಿ ಒರಿ ರೌಂಡಿನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ಗೆ ಪೋನರ್ತು ಎತ್ರ ನಾಳೆ ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಿನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರಾಯ ಅತ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಿನ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾಯ.
ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಈ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕು ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್ ನವರೇ ಕಣ್ಣೇಗ್ ನಂಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಲಿ ನಾಳೆ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಇತ್ರ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಅವತ್ತು ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಸಾಂಗ್ ನ ತೆಡಿಕೊಂಡು
പിന്നെ അവര് സ്റ്റാർട്ടായി ಬೆಲೆ ಬೆಲೆച്ച് ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬೇಡ ಇಮೋಜಿಸ್ ಮದಿ ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಬ್ಲಾ ಬ್ಲಾ ಬ್ಲಾ.
ഒരേ ರೀತಿಲಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸು ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಬರೆನ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಉಂಡನೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಂಗೆ ಮದಲ್ತು ಕಡ್ಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ ಸೆರಪಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಡನೆ.
ಓ ಕೊರೆ ನಾಟ್ನೆ ನಿರೋಧಾನ ಕಾಣು.
പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടോപ്പ് കോntestants ഒരു ജേർണി ഈ സീസണിൽ ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് എ റോളർ കോസ്റ്റർ റൈഡ്. വാർക്ക് മീത പിന്നെ താദ ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ഫുൾ ഓഫ് thrill and surprises. But hats off to our judges who kept their commitment going to find us the best voice of the season.
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿರಿ YMBA Sing From Home Day Award Set.
This is my favorite category, our little geniuses. We had some outstanding talent in season 1 and it continued in season 2. Here are the awards for the winners in the kids category after aggregating the overall score.
YMBA Best Singer Award under Kids category, second runner-up is contestant number 4, Dhruti L. Uchil.
तेरे माथे के कुमकुम को मैं तिलक लगा के घूमूंगा, तेरी बाली के चंचन को मैं दिल से लगा के झूमूंगा। मेरी छोटी सी भूलों को तो नदिया में बहा देना, तेरे जोड़े के फूलों को मैं अपनी शर्ट में पहनूंगा।
Congratulations, Riti. Now, Best Singer Award, first runner-up, goes to contestant number 5, Sushi S.
रीत ही रीत दे मेरे दिल में भरी, रीत ही रीत दे मेरे दिल में भरी, प्यास ली जिंदगी है मेरी, प्यास ली जिंदगी है मेरी, आज जरा इश्क के भाव।
Congratulations, Kushi. Now the winner of YMBA Best Singer Award under Kids category goes to Outstanding Singer who has scored maximum marks consistently in all the 3 rounds. She has also participated in YMBA drawing competition and won prizes there too. That is none other than contestant number 2, Nishita Rajesh Talapadi.
परदेसिया ये सच है पिया, सब कहते हैं मैंने तुझको दिल दे दिया। परदेसिया ये सच है पिया, सब कहते हैं मैंने तुझको दिल।
Congratulations to all our kids winners. Now we'll swiftly move on to the seniors category. ഈ കാറ്റഗറിയിലും നല്ല സിംഗേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അവരെ ബെസ്റ്റ് പെർഫോമൻസസ് കേൾക്കാൻ കിട്ടി. What was highly inspiring for us youngsters was to see the amount of effort our seniors were taking in preparing their songs and creating it. Hats off.
E category second runner-up is the one who has performed all her songs with immense confidence and passion. That is contestant number 13, Lakshmi Talabad.
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए, सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए, लिखे जो खत तुझे।
In this category, the first runner-up is one of my favorite singers, contestant number 12, Preeti Uchil.
सोचो जरा क्यों ना रोके तुम्हें, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते।
ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದು YMBA Best Singer Award under Senior category goes to 72 years old contestant number 9, Shanta Shiriya from Uchila.
ಗಲೇರಿ ಬಂದವಗೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕ ಮನಸೋತೆ ನಾನವಗೆ, ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ದಶಿ ಪರ್ವದ ದಿನ ಹರ್ಷದೆ ಪ್ರಕಟಾದನು ದೇವ, ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ದಶಿ ಪರ್ವದ ದಿನ ಹರ್ಷದೆ ಪ್ರಕಟಾದನು ದೇವ.
We've now reached the final part of the award ceremony, and it's time to disclose the top 10 winners in the general category. A category where the competition was fierce. There were debates, arguments, discussions, I'm sure in many WhatsApp groups as to who performed better in every round. So without further ado, here are the top 10 winners in a reverse order.
चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला, अरे प्यार कर ले यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे प्यार ಹೂವರ ಪೂಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಗಿರದೆ வாழ்வென்றால் போராடும் போர்க்களமே ഒരു ചിരി കണ്ടാൽ കണി കണ്ടാൽ അത് മതി ഒരു വിളി കേട്ടാൽ മൊഴി കേട്ടാൽ അത് മതി
ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಬಂದವಳಿಂದು ಆಹಾ ಎಂತ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ
ಕೈಲಾಡೋ ಬೊಂಬೆ ನಾನಯ್ಯ ಬೊಂಬೆ ನಾನಯ್ಯ ನಾನಯ್ಯ ಬೊಂಬೆ ನಾನಯ್ಯ ಬಾಳ ಬಂಗಾರ ನೀನು ಹಣೆಯ ಸಿಂಗಾರ ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾಡೋ ಬೊಂಬೆ ನಾನಯ್ಯ ಬೊಂಬೆ ನಾನಯ್ಯ
जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना, होना है खुद में पना, चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी, देता हूँ तुमको पता।
माता मरकत श्यामा मातंगी मधुशालिनी माता मरकत श्यामा मातंगी मधुशालिनी कुर्यात् कटाक्षं कल्याणी.
You are now watching YMBA's Sing From Home Award Ceremony.
We are now reaching the summit. It's time to reveal the top 3 winners of YMBA's Sing From Home Season 2. The organizers were smarter this time. They kept us guessing and wondering. थोड़ी अंदाजी उंडनी नंका आरी टॉप 3 ली रिक्वायरन मात्र श्योर ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು exactly आरी नंबर 3 ली उल्ला नंबर 2 ली उल्ला नंबर 1 ली. But before we reveal our top 3 winners and the winner of season 2, let me take you back to Ravi Uchil as he has something important to say.
Thank you, Saurabh. One important announcement which I was intent to do is that YMBA is thinking of building a community hall in Mumbai. So community hall, why community hall in Mumbai? This is a question noko bariyo. Ori noko para bena, ippo undangulade. Ori beliya para chalinga nale community hall in Mumbai. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಳೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಳೆ ಮಂಗಾಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ഒരു ഹാൾ വേണം. ആ ഹാൾ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ നടക്കുന്ന പണി YMBA എടുത്തോണ്ടി ആയിക്കൊണ്ട് അത് എല്ലാവരെയും കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി ಖಾಲಿ YMBA പണിയല്ല. The entire community should come forward in Mumbai and we should take it forward and ಅದೊಂದು ಆಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಡ ಮುನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ I would like to thank all the organizing team, all the judges, especially my special thank to Chidanand Udyawar, the one of the brainchild behind having this entire program in a different way. At the same time, I would like to thank my managing committee members, our best audiences, and last but not least, Saurav and Anusha, those who have ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಕರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ಜೆಂಡಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಎಂಟೈರ್ YMBA ನಾಳೆ ಮೋಯರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ತರಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜೆಂಡಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Welcome back. Next, final Winners Day announcement. The second runner-up position is shared by two contestants, Likhita and Vibha Vishwanath.
आता है मुझको प्यार में जलगाना, मुश्किल है प्यारे तेरा बच के जाना, ये मेरा दिल मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे चिढ़ जाए, मेरे ख्वाबों में जो
It's now time to reveal the first runner-up of season 2. And it's contestant number 32, Malashri Madhavan Kasat.
Dalamo, dalamo, dala, dala, dalamo, 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 dala, dala, dalamo, 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 ताले की गति भी मिलता है.
YMBA's Best Singer Award goes to contestant number 17, Priyanka Uchil.
हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा, काली जुल्फें रंग सुनहरा, तेरी जवानी तौबा तौबा रे, दिलरुबा 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 दिलरुबा, हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा, काली जुल्फें रंग सुनहरा, तेरी जवानी तौबा तौबा.
Thank you, everyone. The participants, the judges, the organizers, and the audience. Without all four of you all coming together, such events cannot be successful. And also special thanks to all the silent heroes who are contributing to such events by packaging it, by fueling ideas for more cultural activities. To all the winners, the participants, and the audience, keep singing, keep the WhatsApp group alive, and share your talent.
Phone the memory nonnangu chinte illa, nangale Moyas ne song share aikondiriki.
Now, before we take your leave, there's little something that we'd like to say about YMBA. It's an institution of 84 years. YMBA has constantly brought us together and connected us with various activities, be it social, entertainment, or supporting the community.
But an institution is only as good as the people participating, managing, and supporting in it.
Activities like music, art, and cuisine are all smaller initiatives that bring a smile to us, educate us, and constantly inspire us.
And there are bigger dreams that we all can achieve together with YMBA.
Please continue to support the organizing and the managing committee of YMBA, as every initiative that they take is only towards the betterment of our society. After all, it's YMBA.
This is YMBA.
Nangale
YMBA.